Zoom in and see what's happening today. You can see we've got that front that gave those very strong winds yesterday across the east, with the backwash of clouds spread across the southeast of England. It has been cloudier here than we thought yesterday, but as you can see, there is a good deal of sunshine until you head to the northwest, where you pick up the next weather front, and with it there's quite a lot of wet weather. Out behind that you can see the shower clouds showing up here in the colder air, and that will be pushing down towards us later on for Thursday and Friday. But back to this afternoon, you can see the wet weather showing up there in western Scotland and across Northern Ireland. Some of it could be quite heavy this afternoon, and that rain by the end of the afternoon is probably going to be down in northern England, northwest Wales and perhaps southwest England too. But for many to the south and the east of that, it will stay dry and quite bright, although I think it will be fairly cloudy in the extreme southeast. Top temperatures today around 15 to 17, very autumnal figures those, and the winds not quite as strong as yesterday. Now overnight tonight we're going to find that weather front giving the rain across these central areas. To the south of it will be clearer, to the north of it clearer, with one or two heavy showers, perhaps of thunder and perhaps of hail in that colder air. And certainly it will be a chilly night in Scotland tonight, perhaps the first ground frost of the season, 3 degrees there in the Scottish Glens. And then for the following nights I think we will find the ground frost returning to quite a few places. I think by the time we get through to Friday night we could even see a touch of air frost in Scotland. And then that ground frost slipping southwards, I think, for Saturday night and across many areas for Sunday night. So autumn is certainly well and truly upon us. Well, back to Thursday, you can see we've got one weather front disappearing from the southeast, another one coming into the northwest. It means it will be a showery day, and those showers in bands. But by Friday, the high pressure is trying to push its way back in. But we're always going to be on the wrong side of it, and that means the winds will be coming from a northwesterly direction. So for Thursday, quite showery, some of those showers heavy and thundery, and perhaps even of sleet and snow over the highest ground. As we head through to Friday, a drier day, although we probably will find cloudier skies and some rain in the far southeast corner. Into the weekend, we're going to find this weather front moving from west to east, and that's going to bring a band of rain into the far northwest during Saturday, and then gradually I think it will head its way eastwards. But for many on Saturday, it will be a dry and a fine day with some sunshine, temperatures around 14 to 17 degrees. Into Sunday then, that weather front heads across into the east of Scotland through central parts and down into central southern England. To the east of that, probably dry for most of the day, but that rain will eventually push its way in. And then behind it, drier, brighter skies following on, but with quite a few showers too. If you'd like more